Akala ko masarap.
Jared Decafort, 20, GMA Cavite. I participated, I currently have, I have endorsement, aesthetic clinic named Glam Beauty Studio located in Dasmariñas, Cavite. But if ever I will be chosen as one of your ambassadors, it will not complete with the with the contract or whatsoever. Kasi hanggang August lang po yung contract natin sa Glam Beauty Studio.
But did they release photos of you already?
Not yet.
So, anong yung contract mo with them?
Contract, 30,000, ano lang po, services.
Parang award sa iyo. So, or talagang contract na i-promote mo sila?
Yes po, promote lang po sa social media.
Okay, so I will be asking on the business aspect. Pino-promote mo na yung old clinic and then suddenly may OPA endorsement. So how would you explain to your social media followers na bigla ka nag-change ng ni-endorse?
I think it would not naman po kasi yung basically yung po namin contract namin sa dun po sa Glam Beauty Studio is naman po siya, pwede po kami umalis anytime kasi po lang siya, bale parang wala pong binding na kasi basically ang binibigay lang po nila talaga sa amin sa services and wala nang iba, na lang po, napili lang po for dahil po kakilala ko rin po yung so promoting the naman po online, hindi rin po ganun ka yung pag-promote ko sa kanila is parang local lang po, magpo-post lang po ako na nasa clinic ako, stories and stuff po. So I think yung followers ko is